we're right next door, and we do leverage the Wisconsin Rapids campus for our machinists. So right now it's a little bit of a difficulty. They have to drive all the way to Wisconsin Rapids, plus work a 10-hour shift or whatever it might be. So having it right next door definitely will help our team, because it's going to be just hey, I'm going to pop over for class and I'm going to come back, right? And so, and also, we've leveraged a lot of the skill set when it comes to our machinists, our maintenance people. Looking forward to hopefully more people even from the engineering side and the engineering skills. So, but it's also exciting that knowing that we'll be able to just pop over to the school too, and help contribute, and if there's questions, and really partner being right next door and having such a large manufacturing facility.